Hello everybody, today I have finally made it back down here. The weather has been raining and horrible, so I've got a break. There's still clouds in the sky, look at it, it's horrible behind me. So today I'm going to harvest the rest of my kidney beans. They're looking a bit rough, they are supposed to be taken out now. So I'm going to get them out there, get all the plants, and then consider what else I'm going to put in here, or if I do anything else, because I do have some radishes all over the place, so they can go in there, or I can put some onions or some garlic as well. So I'm gonna debate. I'm debating in my mind which one to put in. So let's see, or you guys will see in the long term anyway. There has literally been horrible. So what I don't want to do, I don't want to pull the plants from the roots. I want to trim it, cut it all the way back. Let me just remove this radish. This is a black radish. I've got so many of them. So I want to cut it as close to the bottom of the soil as possible, because I want to keep that there and let it continue to do its glory, and remove these and just chuck them down along the pathway, or in my case I will be dropping them in my garden compost bin and get that composting going for the rest of the season. So let me grab these out of here and show you what I've collected so far from this lot. I've harvested all of them from there, and I'm gonna plan to harvest the one at the top of the other section over there, but this is what they look like right now. And this is, let me show you the main reason why I wanted to basically get these out. So this is what I'm looking for, like the regular style. And due to the fact that it's been raining, look, this is completely starting to soak, and the skin is starting to have all these weird things on it. So I didn't want it to go to moldy and then possibly not be able to use. So I wanted to get them from now, you know, get them out of here and take them home with me. So the next process is to literally pluck them from the main stem and throw them in my, this is a flower pot that I'm using today. So just to get these off, so I'm just putting it in my thumb like this and just pull upwards or towards you. They're quite easy to do. Some people use secateurs. I just use my hands, which do a great job, by the way. I actually use the 3 fingers here just to pull down, and look, it's snapped off. It's fine. So I can get these home and just like wash them off, let them dry for a little bit, you know, and then get them in the freezer or put them in the fridge, because these are fresh ones. They can last a lot longer in the fridge, and then you cook it when you're ready. Stew it down, add it to your rice and peas, because obviously I'm Jamaican, so we use this same beans in our national dish, which is rice and peas. And it tastes so much better when you grow it yourself, because obviously not knowing where your food supply is coming from, it's not a nice thing. Let me show you how much so far. It's not looking like it's going to be a big harvest from this lot, because I did harvest some from before, but it's fine. I'm just making sure I don't want to lose nothing, because I'm so proud of them, because they did so well. They did so well, and I'm gonna add that. And beans are great to add to your garden. You know, they feed the garden actually in a lot of ways, because they take the nitrogen. They're a nitrogen fixer, so they fix the soil and put nitrogen inside there, and it does what it's supposed to do, and it makes your soil healthier. So beans are superb to add to your growing, or anywhere you are growing something. Beans around the edges of them, you can add them. They're superb to have to your garden, and it gives you an abundance of food in a very quick time. It doesn't take long. I think I planted these in about the end of July, I think. June, July, I'm not sure exactly the time. And look at it, I'm still harvesting now in October. And that makes a massive difference, and it's beautiful. So let me just harvest these and then get the rest of them and show you the full lot that I've harvested. But let me just do this quickly and then show you what I've got from this garden, then we can move over to the next one. This is where I have the other lot of beans, the colored red kidney beans. I'm gonna harvest them out and get them literally home, because we are promised some cold temperatures changing from tomorrow, and we had a break in the rain, and the rain does not do wonders, because the slugs will eat these if they're on touching the ground. Look at the slug, right? He was probably trying to nibble on these. Luckily they never break the membrane here fully, just the outer one that they got. It's still good. So I'm gonna go in here, get all of these out, and then show the full harvest that I have, which is amazing to me, because it's done very well for itself. So let me just get these out and then show you. So I've harvested them, and look at that. That is a good amount of food. This is quite a good amount from what's left, and I think that is a good meal. And what I'm going to do as well, since I've cleared it all out, I have some brassicas here. These are some purple cauliflower. I'm going to stick some of them over there. So as much as I am taking out stuff, I'm going to try to keep the beds with something. I'm going to stick some. I have quite a few kohlrabi. I'm going to stick them in there because they're very cold hardy. And underneath that as well, with the corns still being attached to the ground, I'm not going to cut them too low yet. I'm not going to stay there and let them dry over the winter. They can shield a little bit of the stuff underneath there, see, and let it do its thing. That's going to do a good job right there. And yeah, try to keep these beds as active. And if I do have beds that don't have anything on it, I am going to try to cover them with something to keep them not out here in nature itself. Just cover them so they can maintain all that beautiful stuff inside, so when I plant my stuff, I'm ready to go. It from your boy Mr. Green Hands out here, still harvesting food no matter what time of the year or the weather, really. Just trying to get everything in. And yeah, if you're not growing, you ain't doing the right thing. Please don't forget to take care of yourself and the planet, because we just have to. See you guys next time.